Hello everyone, I've got a very special announcement today. Our blog post has gone live. How to generate 680 leads in 4 hours without using Facebook ads. We've spent a lot of time putting together this blog post. We take you through the whole process. How we came up with the offer, how we landed the clients, how we built our advertorial funnels, how we built our landing pages, and then how we set up our Twitter campaigns, because this is what we use to generate so much volume so quickly. We made over 10,000 bucks in profit in 4 hours from this method. It's very exciting, and it's going to be applicable to a lot of you guys that aren't running Twitter ads or have got all your eggs in one basket at the moment. So below this video, there's going to be some links to the article, which tells you everything, our entire strategy. It's going to be amazing. You're going to love it. And we also give away, as an upgrade, we give away our advertorial templates, we give away our landing page templates, we give away our Twitter scaling checklists and setup checklists, so you'll be able to do this all yourself. All you have to do, it's worth 997 bucks, it's just a content upgrade. Click on the link, opt in, and you'll get all of that stuff delivered free to your inbox. So enjoy, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye.